week on DevKit Weekly. In this episode of DevKit Week, this week on DevKit Weekly. In this episode of DevKit Weekly. Felt a little frenetic, but I'm going to go with it. Seems fine. Next, coming your way, Beagle Y AI. Here we go. Isn't that cute? All right. And we're back one more time. One last costume change. This is my 5th take. I don't know what happened. I can't get it today. Here we go. All right. Teleprompter. Sorry about this. Whew, still rocky. I'm not happy. But we made it. Good boy. Anyway, what a day. I'm running late, but we got there. One take. Let's try for it. I don't know. It's fine. Here we go. I know it's a little rocky, but I'm going to stick with it. This is take 4 because I can't get it today. Okay, let's try this again. Second. I don't know. I guess it's fine. That one felt a little janky. No big whoop. See you soon.